In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Wrike. We'll walk through the basic flow of accessing Wrike's request forms, filling one out, and then opening the resulting request so you can see how this fits into your team's workflow. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. From your main workspace view, look for your usual project area or folder structure. In this example, we're starting from a section called Backlog, which is where a lot of incoming work might land. Your layout might look slightly different, but that's okay. What matters is that you're in the main workspace view where you can see the left-hand navigation. On the left side, find and click on Request Forms. This is where Wrike stores all of the forms your team can use to submit standardized work requests. Think of this as your central hub for intake forms, whether they're for marketing requests, IT tickets, design briefs, or anything else your organization uses. Once you're in the request forms area, you'll see at least one example form. In this walkthrough, click the option that says something like, "Try filling it out to see how you can use forms to manage your team's incoming work requests." This is Wrike's way of letting you see the full experience from a requester's point of view. Now you're looking at the form itself. You'll see various fields where you can type information or make selections. When you see an instruction to type in a field, go ahead and enter a clear, descriptive title for the request. This might be the name of a campaign, a task description, or any short summary that will help your team quickly understand what the request is about. Next, you'll move to additional text fields and type in more details. Use these areas to explain what needs to be done, any requirements, deadlines, or supporting context. The more specific you are here, the easier it will be for your team to act on the request without going back and forth for clarification. You'll also see drop-downs or selection fields. When prompted to click on a highlighted drop-down, open it and choose the appropriate option. For example, you might select a due date such as the 25th, then choose a folder or project like Marketing as the location where the resulting task or project should live. This ensures your request is automatically organized in the right place. Another drop-down may let you set the priority. When instructed, click the field and then choose High if the request is urgent. Use this carefully so your team can trust that high-priority items really do need faster attention. Once all required fields are filled out and your choices are made, scroll down and click on Submit. Wrike will process the form and create a corresponding task or project based on your configuration. After the form is submitted, you'll see an option to Open Request. Click on that. This takes you directly to the created item, so you can review all the information you just entered. Here, you can double-check the title, details, due date, folder, and priority, and make any final adjustments if needed. And that's the full process. You've just seen how to access request forms in Wrike, fill one out with meaningful information, submit it, and then open the resulting request to review it.